everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's video, we will invite Engineer Wang to show you guys how to properly lubricate your compressor air filter. Air filter include air filters and lubricant. We are using the filter from AirTech. The one on the left side is a filter for clean the air source and can filter the moisture in the compressor air to prevent the moisture from entering the EPS cutting line. On the right side is lubricator. The oil atomizer atomize the lubricant and inject it into the airstream, flowing with the compressor air into the part to be lubricant for lubrication purpose. When the EPS cutting line is not running, take out the small can for adding lubricant on the right side. Add lubricant to about 70%. Install it back to the filter at an angle of 45 degrees and turn it to the position. Adjust the amount of spray lubricant automation by scale indication. By the way, when the cutting line compressor air pressure is lower than 4 bar, the cutting line will alarm to indicate low air compressor. For more information about EPS machine and EPS mode, please contact us by email or leave your comments below. I'll see you next video.